Installing the mount and control unit. Be sure to remove the power pack before starting work to prevent the accidental activation or short-circuiting of the Bosch e-bike system. These spare parts and special tools will be required. Position the control unit on the handlebar using the rubber spacer. Then attach the unit with the screw using a size 3 hexagon socket Allen key on the underside. Make sure to align the control unit in such a way that the buttons can be easily reached with the thumb. Place the contact plate on the springs in the relevant opening on the mount and secure it with the 4 small screws using a PH00 Phillips screwdriver. Now center the top half of the mount casing on the handlebar. Fit the bottom half of the mount and tighten the 4 screws using a size 3 hexagon socket Allen key. Tighten the screws with a tightening torque of 1 Newton-meter. The mount is now securely attached. Now place the onboard computer on the mount. Switch on the onboard computer, check the functions, and take a test ride.